What are you doing? Are you giving Amelia kisses? Are you giving her kisses? Careful. See, you were being so sweet and giving her all these kisses, and then you realized you could give her raspberries, huh? Carter, who's this?
Huh?
Who's in this?
Baby.
Baby. What's the baby's name? What's the baby's name? What's her name? You're too entertained with this. All right. You're giving Mommy a contraction. All right. Say bye-bye.